Oh, the running water from the mountain. So beautiful. Oh, this is a coffee shop here in Austria. Oh, this is a very beautiful view from the mountain. So beautiful. It's amazing beauty of the nature coming from the mountain. This running water, and in here inside is the coffee shop. Wow, so beautiful. This is in Austria, one of the most beautiful country in Europe. Look up there, the mountain still have ice over there, and this water is coming down from this mountain. Very beautiful running water. Oh gosh, so beautiful. Okay, I hope you like this video. I just want to share with you, this is my travel vlog exploring Austria, one of the beautiful European countries.